to be fast. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go, better.
Oh, really?
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8.
여기는 석촌호수입니다. 여러분 왜 왔냐? 오늘은 여기서 러닝을 좀 배워보려고 합니다. 지난 여름에 제가 인도네시아 발리에서 처음으로 해외 투어 라이딩을 했는데요.
Good morning from Pandawa, Bali. Holiday. Selamat pagi. Yeah.
그곳에서 만난 발리 현지 친구들이랑 친해졌고 그 친구들이 한국을 방문했는데요.
Wow.
로이는 인도네시아에서 마라톤을 주최하기도 하고 러닝 인싸인데요. 오늘은 그 친구들과 함께 러닝을 하기 위해 만났습니다. 굿모닝! 하이!
안녕하세요.
네, 저의 러닝 선생님.
ABC drill 할 거예요. 이렇게 ABC 치지 말고
어떻게 해요?
Before we start, we need to warming up. So the first thing we do is swipe. Okay, let's go. Swipe right and then left. Okay. 8. Okay, no need to long. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Down. Back. Yes. At the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. For the hips already okay. For the hand already okay. Now down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The only thing your foot is touch the floor is only from the middle to the front. From here to here, no. Okay? So it's just like you a little bit almost fall down to the front. Your hand, yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, now to the front. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Yes. You see my hand? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Left, left. right, right, left, left. Yeah. 2, okay. Okay. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. Yeah.
Go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. 1. Left, right, right, left, good. Okay, okay. Right, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. Yes. Yay. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, right. Right. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 2, 3. Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Yay.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Ready to go?
Go.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now is for the hand moving. Yes. You do like this. Okay. Stay like this. This is the slow one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now change. Good. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we add more speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how you will remember for your body when it's slow run and fast run. Oh, I hope you guys can practice from the basic, even though it's not perfect, but still you need to try so your body can remember and get used to running and better running. Of course, we want you guys to have a safe running. Okay?
Yeah.
Stay tuned on BK channel.
Thank you.
Keep up your speed. Don't chase me. Just stay there. Go BK 100 meters. Go BK 100 meters. Go, 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 go. 100 meters. 50 meters. Go, go, 50 meters, 50 meters. You can do it. 20. Go, 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 go. Yay! Slow down slowly. Well done, BK. Woo! 5K with us. Well done, BK.
Wow.
Why bother to do the
Yes.
stretching and the boring thing like
But we have
pulling
to.
down and
We have to do.
stretching? After we're running, all of our body is tired. Also, the muscle is very stick, yeah. So we need to release it. Okay. First we do is like same like before, but it's the movement is different. Do like this, and then try to touch it. If you cannot touch it, you can do like this. Okay, this has to be stretched. Okay.
Here.
Yeah, this is stretch. Do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then we do, if you have something to hold like this, you can do like this. This is stretch, so this have to be you have to pull this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't have something to hold like this. You can do like this, but this is still have to be stretch. Your body not like this, okay? Stretch. This is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if you have like something like this, you can do also like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's better if you have mat or you can sit on the floor, but if you don't have that, just do the minimum stretching that you can do, like just stretch and pull your body, your foot, this. It's almost same like warming up, but yeah, the function is for your body to be more stretched, not stressed, and then it's not get cramped when you're walking after finish running. And don't stop, full stop when you finish running. You need to cooling down, run slowly, and then after you finish, you do the stretching. So that's very important. Okay.
How's your 5 kilo? First
Okay.
time sprint. First time sprint?
Yeah.
First what? First sprint?
No, for something.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I never run 4 something.
yeah.
My maximum is 5:30.
Take back. Yeah. So she do the last sprint, and she feels more power because before she running without strategy. She just run like Nichosa. I don't care. I have to be fast. But today she tried to build the strength step by step.
Yeah.
Each kilo more speed, like negative split, and then the last 200 meters she still can give her best with the last sprint. Yeah, nice.
Thank you, Roy.
Welcome.
오늘은 인도네시아 러닝 인플루언서 로이와 함께 뛰어보았는데요. 러닝 드릴이나 러닝 전후 스트레칭 방법뿐만 아니라 러닝을 대하는 자세에 대해서도 많은 영감을 받았는데요. 러닝은 마치 명상과 같아서 내게 활력을 줘야 하는 운동이라는 점이 인상 깊었습니다. 빨리 달리는 것보다 중요한 것은 무리하지 않고 올바른 방법으로 안전하게 달리는 것입니다. 여러분들도 달리기를 하기 전에 동적 스트레칭과 또 달리기를 하고 난 이후에는 마무리 스트레칭을 꼭 실천하는 습관을 만들어서 안전하고 즐겁게 오래오래 러닝을 즐기셨으면 좋겠습니다. 그럼 다음에 봐요. 안녕!